So, welcome to another live stream, guys. The first one didn't work out. I don't know why. I'm still in Dubai. I will tell you the whole story once everybody joined. But yeah, it's Virgin Galactic Fridays, guys. And as usual, we are looking into some topics of Virgin Galactic. And let me tell you, Virgin Galactic is on the way to Breakout. It seems like with every single step that we are now seeing, it's closer and closer until the big lift off of the stock and company. If you're looking into the data of the company is doing every better, making milestone after milestone, and the stock will eventually follow. So I want to welcome you all. Let me know in the comments where you are watching from, and before we're diving into the overall stream, I want you to smash that like button for once. Second, I want to tell you a quick story what happened. Usually, I was not sure if I will be able to make this live stream tonight because I'm going to Germany. So actually I need to prepare things and I had to be at the airport quite early. But then this morning, flying with Turkish Airlines, I got the message that my flight was cancelled. Okay, so I called them and they said they are not flying from Dubai right now. So I don't know why you're offering the flights. However, so they rebooked it, and now my flight is I had to book a new one, and I'm flying tomorrow morning. So this will be the last stream, guys, from Dubai. And then I will go tomorrow morning to Germany, and then maybe, depending on the situation, how fast I get there and everything, and how fast I can set it up, maybe we will have a stream tomorrow evening. If not, then day after tomorrow, definitely. So let me start, as usual, guys, with a quick dive into memes. So, before the memes, we are welcoming a brand new member, Mr. Play It Right. I hope you are joining tonight. And if you are interested into membership of this channel, to support this channel, if some of the tips made you some money, then we appreciate the membership. Obviously, there's 3 tiers. The number gold is to support this channel. Number 2 is access to our Discord. And number 3 is 101 with me. So interesting to see. And this is the... Oh, and let me just tell you. So to check out the member section, just press the join button below all my videos and live streams. This is the meme of tonight's stream. And it's letting you know already that awkward moment when an energy drink has a better space programs than your nations. Do you remember Felix Baumgartner when he jumped basically out of space? I think this was the highest jump ever. So definitely a very, very hard thing to do, and he done it. And, you know, once in a lifetime opportunity. And Red Bull was the whole sponsor of the whole thing. Then we are having another meme. What did Earth say to the other planets? Get alive. And let's dive into today's agenda. So I want to, with you, to review the stock, and then we will go a little bit into the cabin reveal, which is now scheduled for the 28th of July. Then we will be on the topic of General Mills, brand new informations over there, and then we will talk about other things that you might think interesting. Let me just pull out the chat as well so I can see what you are guys putting into your keyboards right now. And let me check just just a moment, please, and I will be right back with you when we are having the chat box active. I need to do these things before the stream starts, guys. So let me see. So we have Raphael here, DRK, our regulars. Then we have Provider Grind. This is one of our newest members. Thank you very much for joining. Then we have Mr. Blade Right is here, of course. Then we have Mario from London, already I think 2 months of membership. Thank you very much for that. Then we have people from Germany, from Netherlands, UK, Portugal, Mexico, Angela Merkel. I will definitely say hi to Angela Merkel. Thank you for that. Then we having guys from Germany as well. Very much European as well. So and Istanbul as well. As fantastic. So yeah, let me know further in the comments if you have some questions, and then I want to directly dive into the first thing, which is basically the stock, guys. I know some people are very impatient and want to see a lot of gains for the stock, but you know, you have to be a little more patient because there is news coming out for the stock, but not really the core news for the company itself. Okay, this would be Richard Branson in the air, you know, lots and lots of info in reservations. Obviously the Spaceship 2 need a cabin, and obviously it will be revealed, and the NASA agreements are nice, but it's not the core business, right? So you have to also segregate, okay, those are big news, but we want to have news about the core business. We want to know when they schedule for the first flight, when will Richard Branson go to the space, and so on and so forth. These are the news that are really interesting for the stock, and therefore enjoy the just $16 per share. Unbelievable. We will look back in a year and say, you know, why we didn't bought more from that. I will tell you that. I will remind you guys. So let us have a quick look. So what happened actually here is important to understand. We were back then in February into one of the most bullish cycles of Wall Street ever. This was like the peak of the bull market, and growth stocks were the only stocks, because the value stocks like Boeing and all the other guys were already very well valued and maybe overvalued, so the money flowed into growth stocks like Tesla, like Virgin Galactic, and so on and so forth. And this will definitely come back. So this phenomenon this will definitely come back in one point, and this is just the beginning, guys. I see two big drivers, guys. Let's say, you know, there will be definitely good news about this company and next steps and Richard Branson into the air and so on, but there will be two big factors that will bring the stock very high. First of all, I believe that this stock is one of the perfect stock for short sellers. So I believe that, and we're seeing it now by 20-30% of the stock is being short sold, but we will see more and more people will not believe into the story, guys, and will say same like it was for Tesla, guys, and they will say this company cannot bring the achievement, and when they will deliver, which I strongly believe, because the reasons why I believe in the stock, then you will see a short squeeze, which will push the stock up. And the next big thing, and this is even maybe a little bit important, guys, Robinhood. Robinhood is, in my personal opinion, a totally new area of investing. And I believe that this is a perfect Robinhood stock. Okay, we have very famous people on board. We have a product that will go PR and marketing wise through all the social media. We are having an absolutely unique experience, and people, celebrities will, not only post the experience, but I think that some celebrities even will say, this feeling when you get off a roller coaster ride and you just feel like, wow, this was so cool, I want to go again. And if you meet your friends, you're talking about it. And this is exactly times 10, because we have social media today, with this experience of Virgin Galactic. And can you imagine when Justin Bieber or whoever will go on one of the first 100 persons into space will say, this was the best experience. I'm so convinced that this is the best experience that you can buy for money. I will also invest into the stock. And I believe that this is a phenomena that we saw also at Tesla, that people say, wow, this product is so nice. I'm driving the future right now, and I want to be part of that. And therefore, I will buy Virgin Galactic stock. And this cheap stock of $16, $17, $20, $30, $50 will be still very much attractive to people. If they have in mind, wait a second, at one point, Tesla or other companies were also very, very, small in terms of valuation and grow big. So I have the opportunity to dive in early, and I think this will be very, very interesting. So let's look into then we had obviously the overall crash. And since then, guys, we are trading somewhere between, let's say, 14, 15-ish and 20. Okay, this is the 25%-ish, 30%-ish area which we are in. And it seems that since we entered this about on the 6th of April, and since then, enjoying the ride there. I believe that, it seems that it bounced back here from 15 levels, which is, which I draw here, the resistance line, and it nicely bounced off here. Let me make it a little bit bigger, as you can see directly perfectly here on 15, and then it went back, and now it's back into the trading channel. And let's see, maybe it can, because of news, go higher in terms of, entering this uptrend here. And and I believe that this will be definitely something that it needs to outbreak 20. If it's going exited 20, the 20 mark, then everything is possible until the next all-time high. There's not much resistance there. So this is from the technical side, but again, the news will be important, guys, for this company, all right? And talking about news, there was pretty much a new news that came out, which didn't had so much, prior PR before they said, we will release something like that. So this is the cabin reveal. And we will talk about the cabin reveal in a second. I just get something to drink because I'm super thirsty. And meanwhile, you will have the chance to like this video, and I will be back in just 5 seconds. So here we are. And before diving in, I want to also let you know, guys, in my preparation to go to Europe and not make the quarantine, there is an option that I made a test here in Dubai before I'm going into, into Europe, and I just got my, can you see that? My negative test result from yesterday, which is fantastic, guys. Yeah, just a side story. The wolf is negative, so everyone who will be in contact with me can be quite safe. Obviously, I'm also wearing the mask and everything. I actually don't feel like it's putting too much, discomfort to me. I actually like it. I have different motives of masks, as you might know from my Instagram. Speaking about Instagram, make sure to follow me there as well, Wolf of Dubai Danny, so you see all about the, let's say, behind the scenes. So when I'm not posting on YouTube and on my Discord channel, then sometimes I'm posting some stories on my Instagram. So follow me if you want to see a little bit behind the scenes. And let's dive into the cabin. This would be the dream, guys. This would be the dream of a cabin. I heard this is, I believe, the best case scenario. I mean, when you are up there, we are talking microgravity. This means that you are feeling you are like having zero gravity. And I heard that they are kind of standing-ish seats that will be there, and you will have like a line that you are basically, when you are entering the zone of microgravity, that you will feel it. And then you will have still a line inside the cabin to really free float through the whole cabin, which would be amazing, right? I mean, if I'm just hearing this kind of things, this is let me, going into that experience. This is absolutely fantastic. Then we are having another option here. This is something that was introduced a couple of years ago. I don't think it can be much different from that, but I'm very very much, let's say, open for new ideas, right? I mean, this is super cool. Everyone has his windows. Then you pretty much fly inside the cabin. The cabin will be big enough, and then you are having the, do I have more cabin pictures? No, that's it. So those are the two options that I found. I really like this one. This is a fantastic design. Incredible. If you just think about it, it sounds like a sci-fi movie that we as small stupid humans shoot us up just on the edge of the atmosphere to just enjoy gravity, and then selling this as the most beautiful experience on Earth, right? So think something to think about. Then I want to talk with you General Mills. I heard, there is a lot of rumors out there, right? There's a lot of rumors out there that General Mills is doing a partnership with Virgin Galactic to put a ticket in, let's say, every 1 millionth of their product. And if you don't know General Mills, then have a look into that. These are all the products. And if you are talking about this kind of, partnership, this is something that you are having the chance to win a space or a flight to space with Virgin Galactic, this experience. And I think that this is super interesting, not because of the ticket itself, obviously yes, but I believe this is also interesting because it will give us lot of PR, guys, okay? And I heard from a couple of internet or sources in the internet that something like this is already confirmed or close to confirm. So it will be only in a couple of days that we, or weeks or months, that we shall see another, bullish sign that you can win this. And, Richard Branson, the founder of this company and also the founder of the Virgin Group, is really into marketing, guys. So I'm not that much of, let's say, worried that they will have huge and interesting marketing and enough tickets to sell. They will have rather the problem of making sure to scale. Okay, their product, their tickets will sell like really warm bread, guys. No question asked. If they have the reservations already where they are so far ahead, so far still to go, when we talking about last year and still a year to become an astronaut or FAA approved astronaut, then I believe that when this thing started, that we will have thousands and thousands, 5-6 figures of reservations, definitely, guys. No question, guys. No question. And then this will help to shoot the stock up further, because this will be the core business. As I said, this will push the business for the next couple of years to be fully booked. This will be the best experience that you can buy with money. So I think that this is absolutely a no-brainer. Let's have a look into your guys' questions real quick. So yeah, I see here already 2023 will have 5 ships, then 500 the stock price. Then what else, guys? I heard, I was reading the other person here, Frank, was asking if the FAA is close to approval. Yes, we are just 2 checkpoints away from the 29 checkpoints that the FAA need for the commercial license. And the CEO, George Whiteside, said that we can expect this by the next powered flight or the flight after. So just, very close to get the permission. And guys, something else. There is, the last quarter, they burned about $55 million, if I'm not wrong, if I have it on top of my head. They have, I think 7 or 8 quarters, considering that they will keep this burn rate. So they really are into pressure to show us something, okay? So it's not like, guys, and we know that in my very first Virgin Galactic Fridays episode, I talked about an ex-employee who said that this is the one of the most hard-working team that he ever worked with. And I believe that, okay? Because this is something that is so exciting to be part of. And they are under time pressure, especially now when they are a public company. They don't want to get roasted publicly. Trust me. Elon Musk said this many times. It is a pain to be a public company, because every piece of news can be so negative or positive for the company, and the media can really hurt you. All right. So this is something that to look for. Then let me have a look. Yeah, don't forget the likes, guys. This is highly appreciated for this vlog. And let me see. Ice Blue is saying Cheerios to the moon. Exactly. That's fantastic, guys. What else do we have? Starlink will have an IPO. Oh, and Mr. Play It Right says, felt like that after I drove a Ferrari for the first time. I guess he meant when I talked about the roller coaster. So yeah, you know, this kind of experience are so interesting that I believe that, you know, it will really oh, so Mario is already 3 months a member, and that's why you have the golden emblem. Thank you so much, Mario. And I just, you know, if you want to have more beside the daily vlogs and beside the live streams, if you want to be part of our community, we are so many already talking daily on Discord, and you have the option to talk with me one-on-one if you are choosing the Ultimate Wolf membership. So it's something that I don't see any other channel bring you the value to. So think about it. It's definitely an investment for you to be a better investor. So moreover, I believe I saw here something that was also quite interesting. I think the question was, when do you expect the stock go a certain level? Anyway, I don't know where it was, but let me answer that. I believe that they said now a couple of times that number one priority this year will be having Richard Branson on his first space flight. And I believe that they will stick to it, okay? I believe that they really will do that and make it happen. So I believe that there was now a lot of I believes, but I'm very certain, guys, that towards the end of the year we will have already a single-digit multiple of the stock right now. Okay, this is could be 2 times as high, so around 30. Can be 45, can be 60. Who knows? But I think we are going into a multiple of what it is today. This is my humble opinion. And obviously I could be totally wrong. Like I was with Tesla stock when I thought the year, when I was so bullish on Tesla stock, and I'm still am, I said when the stock was at $180 or $200, I said this stock, in my personal opinion, can go up to $750 this year. And I actually was blown totally away, and now we're seeing 1,200. And people, they were roasting me in the comments, okay? But, everyone deserves his opinion, obviously. I'm a very, very positive person. So I hope that, you are there with a very, very open mind, because these opportunities, there's not much of them. But if they are there, then make sure that we find them together. So I think that's a nice ending. Thank you so much. Again, I'm traveling tomorrow, so no live streams tomorrow, but definitely a daily vlog. I will not leave you out without a very interesting daily vlog, guys. And I hope I see you soon on my Instagram as well, Wolf of Dubai Danny. Thumb up on the way out. And thank you so much for watching, and stay safe.